Hello, in this short video I'm just going to show you how to work out relative formula mass using periodic table and the formula given to you. You will need the relative formula mass in any of the kind of moles calculations, quantitative chemistry calculation questions. And it's simply a number we use when calculating number of moles. It is the same as, it's numerically the same as the mass in grams of 1 mole, and there'll be a bit more on moles on the moles video that I'll do in a bit. Okay, so let's think about how we would do it. First of all, need a periodic table. I've got a periodic table here. I've got the worksheet that we've shared with you in class, so you can see what we're doing. Okay, so you've been asked to work out in question 1 the formula mass of fluorine F2. So first of all, you have to recognise there's 2 fluorine atoms in the formula F2. The key thing we do is we look at the mass number, or the relative atomic mass rather, in the periodic table. And that's 19, and there's 2 of them, so we do simply 19 add 19 is equal to 38. This score is this skill is very easy to score marks on in an exam. Now, when you see elements that are metals, they're always written on their own, and so you simply have to write down the number that's in the periodic table. You find iron on the periodic table. Iron is a transition metal. A little chance to remind you, they're expected to know, at least for triple, that transition metals typically have high melting points compared to the group 1 metals, but also that transition metals have coloured compounds. Useful thing to know. Anyway, let's get back to this. So you look at the number there, 56. 56 you simply have to write down there. So the mass of 1 mole of iron is 56. The next one, hydrogen. Got a relative atomic mass of 1. There's 2 hydrogens. 1, add 1. Look up sulfur. It's 32. Can you see that? 32. Add 4 lots of 16. 4 lots of 16, which is 32, 64, 74, 84, 94, 96, 98. Okay, 98. And you can do the same thing for aluminium oxide. Last one I'll do before doing a slightly more complicated one. 27 and 27. Add 3 lots of 16, so 48 add 54 equals 102. Okay, so that's that's how you work out formula mass. Just tot up the numbers. Now, if you've got something in brackets, you've got to be a little bit more careful. So in this substance here, there's 1 magnesium, which has got a mass of 24. If you find it, you can see it just here. And then the brackets there have got O and H in them, hydroxide. There's 2 of those. There's 2 of everything in the brackets. That's what that means. So there's 2 lots of oxygen, so 2 times 16, and 2 lots of 2 hydrogens. So it's 24, add 32, add 2, or 32, 34, that comes to 58. I hope. There we go, and do one more. So aluminium nitrate, 27, and there's 3 lots of nitrate. So there's 3 nitrogens, 3 lots of 14, and there are 9, so 3 lots of 3, 9 lots of 16. I'll just quickly top that up on a calculator, which I happen to have handy. 9 lots of 16, add 42, which is 3 lots of 14, add 27. That should come to 213. So 1 mole of aluminium nitrate has a mass has a mass of 213. So there's a few more on that page to work to. Not too worried once you get past 10. As long as you can do the first 10, you're sorted. Enough of that. Bye bye.